Hey guys, what's up? This is GRP77 from JG Games. Now today, I still don't have a tutorial. Promise, I'm going to get a tutorial. But today, I just wanted to do something that I've never really done before, and that is show you my setup. So, welcome to GRP77 Setup Tour. Let's begin. First of all, I want to start off by saying that this is not my first setup. I have had many setups. My first setup was in my closet. I had my laptop and I had my microphone, and that was all I used to record. It was really basic. All I had was my camera mic, and so I just hung it down from the ceiling, and then yeah, probably not the safest thing to do, but it worked. So since that point, that was like a year and a half, 2 years ago, I have changed my setup drastically. I was able to get a job outside of YouTube, I was able to make some more money, and I was finally able to save up and make this setup and what it is today. First of all is the desk. Now you can see it in some of the videos, but this desk is actually hand-built by my dad and I, and this was one of the projects that we did over the course of the winter break. I've had this desk for maybe a year and a half now, and it's moved to different parts around my house just based off of where my computer is. Second thing is the monitor. Now I used to have 2 monitors, but I switched over to 1 monitor simply because I was very annoyed at how slow it was working with 2 monitors. So right now I'm currently using a Dell 27-inch monitor. It's actually a monitor that I've been using for a really long time. I had this monitor and I actually plugged my laptop into this monitor in order to get a higher resolution video for you. But it's a 27-inch monitor, I've had it for forever, and it works great. My mouse, keyboard, and mouse pad are all from SteelSeries, and it's not because I'm sponsored by SteelSeries in any way, shape, or form. I just personally think that SteelSeries makes really good products, and because of that, I have a lot of their products. So the keyboard is the SteelSeries Apex, the mouse is the Rival 300, one of the greatest mice ever made for the price, and the mouse pad is just huge. I mean, I know it's the biggest square one that you can buy off the SteelSeries website right now. And all of these peripherals have worked amazingly. I've had these since I got them in early 2017, and they show no signs of wear, no signs of slowing down, and they just work. Now, a recent addition that I had to my setup was this mouse bungee. Now, I got it off of eBay for I think $3, and I kind of got it thinking like, it can't make that big of a difference, but let me tell you, it is one of the best purchases I think I've ever made. This thing has helped me so much. It's helped me from getting my cables cluttered, it's kept me from getting my cables torn in any way. It holds my cable up, so it's really nice and it's really sturdy. I've loved it. I think you should get one too, but obviously it's your decision. The final thing in my setup is my Xbox controller. It's the only thing in my setup that is not blue and white or gray. And that's because, for some reason, I thought it would be cool to get an orange controller, which would completely not work with my setup whatsoever. But yes, it's a custom Xbox One controller from Microsoft. I got it. I've been using it for like the past year and a half now. It's great. I wish I had gotten it gray and blue though, but whenever this one dies, I'm definitely going to be getting a gray and blue Xbox controller. And now onto the thing that I had saved best for last, the PC. Now, I recently built this PC like 2 weeks ago, so this is a very new build. Before we continue, I just want to say this, that I built this PC with the purpose of never having to upgrade it. I also didn't have to buy any storage because I had my storage from my old PC. It's all powered by an Intel i7-8700K at 4 GHz. I overclocked it just a little bit. Graphics card, you can probably tell from the videos, a GeForce GTX 1080 Ti from EVGA. On top of that, we got 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory, and then last but not least, we got the same 2 terabytes of storage that I had from the old PC. The only problem is I think that my mechanical drive is damaged from when I stored it, so I'm probably gonna have to get a new one of those soon. But other than that, the PC runs incredibly smoothly. That's basically my setup, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video sucked, then you know what to do. But if it didn't, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Don't forget to check out our website, social media, and merch, as well as our community Discord server. All of those links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.